Let's put the two rudest people in the world together, which is what we did earlier today. Listen.
Hello, speaking. How can I help you?
Hi there. My father's has an accident at work.
Okay.
And he wonders if he might be entitled to some compensation.
Right.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's no problem. I need to take a few details of that.
Actually, he's here now. Do you want to talk to him?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, I just need to warn you, he is a little bit sensitive about it, okay? He doesn't really like talking about the accident very much.
That's understandable.
But I have explained to him that, you know, we might be able to make a bit of a cash out of this, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Where there's a blame, there is indeed a claim, yes?
Right, okay.
But I'll just pass you over to my dad now, okay?
Yep, no problem.
Okay, so she's on hold. Let's phone our favourite pizza man.
Pizza.
Hello? Could you tell me what happened?
What?
I understand you've had a bit of an accident.
Are you nuts?
Pardon?
I said, are you nuts? What are you talking about?
You've had a bit of an accident, sir. I just need to take some of the details down.
You're after have you know some accidents? You're phoning me up giving me an hassle about accidents.
I'm here to help you. You're some
I
thing.
didn't ask you to speak to me. I didn't ask you to help me. I picked up the phone. I said, who is it? Piece of and then you asked me what the is happening. Pizza.
Hello there, I was wondering if I could, order a pizza from your fine establishment.
Oh, you want to order a pizza, do you? And is your name Mike? Off your way!
Rubbish. Now, we've been doing this for years now, where you send a text to a landline, and we've been doing it with a flirt divert text, and you get that slightly scary robotic woman going, hello.
Yes, just like that.
Yeah. What happens now is
That
you get...
sounded like your impression of the Queen.
They kind of double up.
Do they?
The
Right.
Queen, the robotic woman off of text.
Fair enough.
But now you get Tom Baker off Little Britain and Doctor Who. Now, we did this a long time ago. I know that recently Moores has been having fun with this as well. So, people have been saying, why don't you phone up your nemesis with some clips of Tom? So what we did earlier was we sent a few texts to a landline, recorded them, and then called up the rudest man in the world. And this is what happened.
Pizza.
Hello, my dear fellow.
Hello?
I would like a cheese pizza for my tea.
Cheese pizza. You want any toppings with that?
I would like a cheese pizza for my tea.
I know you want a cheese pizza. Do you want any toppings with it?
My name is Norma.
Norma.
My name is Norma.
Right, you've told me Norma for what?
Stitz.
Norma.
Norma Stitz.
Norma Stitz.
Yes.
Norma Jaff.